This is 2 Minute Toots, where we show you a digital fashion tip in 2 minutes or less.
So, my colleagues and I were just having some discussion about the best way to create drawcords, and I'd offered to show one of them how beneficial it would be to use brushes. So, I thought I'd share it with you too. Having a drawcord as a brush is awesome because you can easily move it around and shape it however you need to. You can also recolor and reuse it over and over again. Start by creating a horizontal box. Make the height the thickness of your drawcord, and usually it's going to exit through a grommet, so I'll delete the straight end of the cord and make it more rounded. I usually have a plastic tip or some type of cord end, so I'll add a skinnier box to the opposite side. Sometimes I'll even manipulate the drawcord to make it look a little more realistic, like it's being pushed into the plastic tip. Select all the artwork and drag it into the brushes panel. When you're prompted, choose Art Brush. When the Art Brush options appear, update the brush scale options and select Stretch Between Guides. Then, move the guides over the thumbnail to indicate what part of the drawcord will be stretched when you draw a longer stroke. This will ensure that you don't distort any part of your artwork that should consistently remain the same shape. Make any other updates you want and click OK. To use the brush, simply draw a line and click on the artwork in the Brushes panel. You can make the stroke weight bigger or smaller, or change the stroke color to update the size and color of your drawcord. And don't forget to save this in your CC libraries so you'll never need to create another drawcord from scratch again. That's today's 2-minute quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to see more digital fashion tips like this one with moi, your digital fashion guru. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on 7th Avenue.